जय जगन्नाथ, वेलकम टू प्रभात फिजिक्स 12th class physics chapter 3 current electricity and topic is relation between current and drift velocity. Drift velocity और current भितर relation कौन? The great relation for both I equal to निया बीडी. निया बीडी सीक्रेट नो आई इक्वल टू क्या निया बीडी. तो क्या है सिंबल आई इज करंट एन द ग्रेट थिंग एन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. तो भाई क्या है एन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी. क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी और नंबर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. नंबर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. यूनिट वॉल्यूम में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है नंबर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ओके देन क्या है ई चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ए एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन वीडी इज ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. तो Vd is drift velocity. A होची area of cross section of the conductor and is the charge of electron and N is the electron density or number of free electron per unit volume and I is current. So how we derive the relation? Very important question for board. How we derive the relation? Consider a conductor XY having uniform area of cross section. A conductor XY having uniform area of cross section. This is A and electron density is N and length is L. Length not required. The conductor XY having uniform area of cross section A, electron density L and a battery connected to two ends and V1 is positive terminal, V2 negative, V1 is greater than V2. when battery connected हे गले कोन आप इलेक्ट्रॉन गुडा को ड्रिफ्टेड हेबे कोडू लोअर पोटेंशियल हायर पोटेंशियल को इलेक्ट्रॉन एमटी ड्रिफ्टेड हेगा जिबे. इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्रिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स लोअर टू हायर पोटेंशियल एमटी 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 चलिए. ओके ठीक अछि. तो नाउ कंडन इज लेट an electron गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन AB क्रॉस सेक्शन नु CD क्रॉस सेक्शन को जाउची. गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन AB क्रॉस सेक्शन नु CD की जाउची विथ वेलोसिटी Vd मींस ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी से जाउची. ताको टाइम लागुची t टाइम. an electron crossing AB क्रॉस सेक्शन टू CD an electron crossing ए लगुची an electron crossing AB cross section means this is AB cross section to CD cross section in time t. time t रे से क्रॉस करची AB cross section को to CD cross section time t रे क्रॉस करची. तो this distance कितना है? this distance dB is कितना है VDT. okay this is the distance and S equal to UT formula लगेगा. Let an electron crossing AB cross section to CD in time t. तो distance dB is this is VDT. So now the volume of this cross section, volume of ABCD cross section. तो कितना है base area, area of the base area into dB. base area A dB कितना आला VDT. this is the volume of ABCD cross section. volume भरी गला. तो number of electron crossing volume दी unit volume रे electron n अछि. this is the electron density. number of free electron पर unit volume is n. तो total number of electron crossing AB to CD cross section in t time. total number of electron total number of electron crossing AB cross section to CD cross section in T time. Total number of electron na volume into electron density. Total number of electron crossing AB cross section to CD cross section in T time. Volume into electron density. तो volume कितना है? A VDT into N. This is the total number of electron crossing AB cross section to CD cross section in time T. Total number of electron crossing AB cross section to CD cross section in time T. This is the relation. Okay. So now total charge केटा आसीबो? Total charge cross करिबो AB cross section CD cross section charge. Total charge केटा आसीबो ना total number of electron into charge of one electron. Total number of electron into charge of one electron. Total number of electron केटा आछे Q केटा आछे A VDT N into E. This is the total charge. Is the total charge. By the definition of current, by the definition of current, I equal to charge by time. बेटा charge कितना आसला A VDT NE by T. T cancel है. I equal to क्या है? Niamidi. The great relation, the proof of relation. I equal to Niamidi. That means that the great content is current is proportional to VD. Current is kind that N is constant, E is constant, A is constant. N is constant, E is constant, A is constant. All are constant. Electron density constant. Charge of electron constant. Area of cross section constant. That means current is directly proportional to VD. This is the relation between current and the great relation I equal to near VD. So now we derive Ohm's law from this. Ohm's law क्या है भाई? कुछ भी नहीं है, रिश्ता है. Ohm's law क्या है? ना रिश्ता है, रिलेशन है. किसका बीच में? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड करंट के बीच में है. V proportional to I or V equal to Ri. This is Ohm's law and R is resistance. That means V by I equal to R equal to constant. V by I equal to R is constant. This is Ohm's law. V proportional to I, but condition is at constant temperature. Okay, ठीक है. So now how we derive the Ohm's law from this? We know current I equal to near VD. तो VD क्या है? VD क्या है? EV by ml tau. I क्या है भाई? NEA the VD EV by ml tau. I क्या होता है? N square A tau by ml. N square A tau by ml. तो V by ओके ml and V ଆସିଗଲା ଏମିତି. तो now V by I ଦରକାର ଆପଣ. V by I means this I କୁ ନେଇ ଆସିବି ଏପଟୁ V by I ଆସିଗଲା. ଏପଟେ କେତେ ହେଲା? ml by n square A tau. तो V by I is constant. तो this is constant. All are constant. देखो V by I equal to ml by n square A tau is equal to V by I equal to R equal to constant. R equal to constant. That means V proportional to I, which is Ohm's law. Which is Ohm's law. So now that, so here mass is constant, length of conductor is constant, electron density is constant, charge of electron is constant, area of cross section is constant, but tau relaxation time is constant for a particular temperature. Constant for temperature. If temperature increase, this is decrease. Quite a group. तो दिस इज सेटमेंट कॉल्ड ओम्स लॉ रे कौन कांस्टेंट टेंपरेचर V इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू I, दिस इज द कांसेप्ट। तो रेजिस्टेंस क्या है, यहाँ रेजिस्टेंस क्या है भाई, रेजिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है, ml बाय n स्क्वायर a टाउ, दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो जिबा रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ फोर ब्रदर राम